Now let us take one more problem on Regula-Falsi method. The problem is show that a real root of the equation, this equation, lies between 2 and 3. That means we need to show root lies between 2 and 3. Then after proving that, apply the Regula-Falsi method to find third approximation. That is still x3 we need to go. Now first sub question is we need to prove our root lies between 2 and 3. How do we prove? The root lies between 2 and 3 only when f of 2 and f of 3 have opposite signs. Let us prove that. We have taken this as f of x. We put 2 in the place of x everywhere and we check whether it is positive or negative. Yes, we have put in the place of x 2 everywhere in the above equation, and use your scientificality and simplify, you will get this answer. And remember, before using the scientificality, convert your calculator in terms of radian measure, then you simplify. So we got the answer of f of 2 as negative. Now let us put similarly in the place of x3 and see whether it is positive or not. So we have put in the place of x3 and simplify, you got this answer which is positive. So we got one as negative and the other as positive. So this shows that our root lies between 2 and 3. So this proves the first sub question, proving our root lies between 2 and 3. Then after proving, they are asking us to find the third approximation. Let us go for the first approximation first. We have taken A as 2 and B as 3. These are f of A and f of B. Substitute here, you will get x1 as this, and this is the first approximation answer. Now what we find? We find f of x1, because we need to go for another approximation. F of x1 is this answer, which is positive. Now what we do? We select the value which is negative. See here, f of 2 is negative. F of 2 is negative. F of 2 is negative and this is positive. So what we conclude, our root lies between 2 and 2.59. This is the new range we have got, new interval. See, we have listed f of 2 is negative and f of 2.59 is positive. So we say our root lies between 2 and 2.59. So we go for x2. x2 formula is this, where A is this, B is 2.59, f of B. What is f of B? F of B is here, and f of A. F of A is here. Substitute. We got the second approximation answer as 2.4518. Is what we do now. We find f of 2 and check the sign. We found f of 2.4518, which is positive. We select the value which have negative sign. So here is the negative, that is f of 2. So we can conclude that our root lies between 2 and 2.4518. So we have the opposite sign. Now we conclude this root lies between the here. Now what we do? Again we implement Regula-Falsi formula for the third approximation and find x3. Here is the x3 formula, and substitution will give this new value for third approximation. So we can conclude here. Thus the required third approximation is this 2.399. For this completes a problem.